Install Houzez Real Estate WordPress theme. Well friends, let's see how to install Houzez, the #1 best-selling real estate WordPress theme. I have provided a link in the video description below. Just click the link, it will send you here. Well friends, to create a functional and professional real estate website with WordPress, we have selected Houzez theme. The reason is here. Here you can see nearly 57,000 websites uses Houzez theme. And the rating is great. It is 4.84 out of 5. And if you check the review, you will be amazed. Lots of developers and website owners uses this theme to build their website. If you click here, and you will get the details. And it has a lots of demos, professionally designed real estate websites that will help you to instantly build a real estate website with WordPress CMS. Okay friends, let's talk about the price. The price is reasonable. And the best part is the price is one time. I mean, if you purchase today, you will be able to use this theme for lifetime. You won't have to pay yearly for this theme, and you will get free support and you will get free updates for lifetime. Here you can see future updates. For a real estate website, I think this amount is very small and it will be a great investment. You will be able to get updates for lifetime and you will get 6 months of free support. But friends, you should extend support for 12 months because for the 12 months you will get free support. You will be able to fix any issues in your website with the support of these Houzez theme developers. Then after 1 year, you will be able to solve anything yourself. Okay, if I talk about the features, it has a lot of features. Here you will be able to check everything. So now, click this Add to Cart button and complete the purchase. Okay, once you have purchased this theme successfully, click this Overview tab and you will get a download link. Just click that link and complete your download. Well friends, once you have downloaded the theme, you will get a zip file like this. Now to install this theme, right click on it and here you can see extract here. Just click extract here and you will find this folder Houzez version 4.3.4, 3.5 and you will find a folder like this Houzez version 4. Okay, just go inside it. Well friends, here you will get all the required files. Here you can see the Houzez theme main file and here goes all the plugins it required. And get back. Okay, so now we are going to install the theme. Okay, now here we are. This is the dashboard of our WordPress website and this is the website right now. Okay, click over here. And to install the theme, navigate to Appearance and here you can see Themes. Just click Themes and click Add Theme and click Upload Theme. Okay friends, here you can see my theme file. I'm just going to hold it, drag and drop here. Here it is. It is selected. Now click Install Now. Well friends, here you can see our theme has been successfully installed. Theme installed successfully. So now we need to activate this theme. So to activate the Houzez theme, click Activate. Okay, now here I am. Now I'm going to click this button to connect and activate. Just click over here and it will send you here and enter your email address and password and or you can connect with Envato. Okay, so I have activated this license in another domain. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the plugins. Here you can see Houzez. Go to plugins and here you can see all the plugins Houzez theme offers. Okay friends, once you have downloaded the Houzez theme, you will get the plugins. I'm going to show you everything. here is the zip file. Here you can see here is the zip file of the theme, and this is the unzipped file. I'm going to remove this guy, it's not necessary. Here is the unzipped file. I'm going to get inside it, and here you can see plugins, and this is the theme file, and here goes the plugins. So I'm going to install all the plugins. Okay, here you can see all the plugins. I'm going to remove this guy, and here goes all the plugins. What I'm going to do, I'm going to manually install all of the plugins. Okay, let's install this plugin, Houzez Studio, or you can install one by one. Okay, let's install the plugins. I'm going to navigate to plugins and click add plugin and click upload plugin. Okay, here goes the plugin files. I'm going to drag and drop here and click install now button. Click activate. Again click add plugin. Click upload file and select the another plugin file. Drag and drop. Hit install now. In the same way, you will install other plugins too. I'm not going to waste your time. Just I'm going to fast forward this section. Now here you can see we have installed and activated all the required plugins. So now we are ready to work with the Houzez theme. Okay, so just go to dashboard and if I hover on Houzez, here you can see plugins. Just click on plugins and we have all the plugins. Here you can see Houzez theme functionalities activate, Houzez logging activate, Elementor activated. Most of them are activated. These are not activated, but we don't need this right now. Okay, so that's fine. So now we are ready. Now let's check all the menus on the left. At this moment we are under plugins. Okay, click theme builder and here we are. From here we can build our header. Just click add new layout, and using this we can build a header like main header. Click publish and click edit with Elementor. Okay, in the same way you can build your header using the elements, the Houzez elements. Here you can see it offers. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to click over here and exit to WordPress, and again come over here. The next menu is field builder. Just click on it, and from here you can build any custom field. Okay, so go to media manager and go to currencies. Click currency switcher. From here you can configure the currency switcher. You will have to add the API key here. And post type. Here goes all the post types. You can enable any post type or disable from here. Just click taxonomies. Here goes the taxonomy areas. Click permalinks. Here goes all the permalinks. What kind of slugs do you want for your property? Here it is property by default. For agents you can change it. Default is agent. You can add S agents. Okay, and here you can see slug for agency. All are self-explanatory. You can import location, white label. Click CRM settings. Click demo import. Install the plugin. And you will have to activate the license. That's the problem. And And what I'm going to do, click over real estate. Friends, it is important because as we will add data like this website, I'm going to clean it. Here is the demo website. Here you can see property type, commercial, office, shop, residential. Here you can see locations, cities. Here you can see property size, your budget, all of these. And here you can see new apartment, light and modern apartment. Just I'm going to open in a new tab. And here you can see, friends, this is the image gallery. And under overview, apartment type, bedroom, bathrooms, garage, area, year of build, all the informations are here. And here you can see address, the details, additional details, features, floor plans. So we need to add all of the details before we add our property. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just get back here and click real estate. Once you click real estate, here you can see related data, new property type of the property. So here you can see the type of property, apartment is the property type. Okay, on the home page, here you can see property type, commercial, office, shop, residential, apartment, condo, multifamily home, single family home, studio, villa. These are the type of the properties. Okay, so we'll have to set the type, status. What is the status? Here you can see for sale is the status. Here you can see all status. For sale is the status. For rent is another status. Okay, so to display the houses, we'll have to set all of this data. So let's start with type. I'm going to add some type. Just click type, and for idea, here you can see commercial. So here I'm going to add commercial is the main type. And scroll down, hit add new type. And type is added. And under commercial, we have office and shop. Okay, get back, add new type. Here you can add office, and parent category is commercial, and hit add type. And here you can see under office we have, under commercial we have office and shop, and parent category is commercial, hit add new type. And another parent category is residential, and click over here, and it's the parent category, so don't select any parent category. Click add new type, and again type apartment, and parent category will be residential. Click add new type, and here you can see under residential we have apartment. Then we'll add condo. Type CONDO, condo. Parent category is residential. That's fine. Click add new type. Here we are. And we have other type. Studio. Pretty simple. Then last villa. Okay, so by now we could add property type. Okay, next we will add status, then features, labels, country, all of things we will add step by step.